Well, just yesterday, Elon Musk had a Financial Times interview where he spilled the latest on the future of Tesla and the future of you getting your hands on one. We're going to go over if Teslas will ever sell out entirely to cause them to stop taking orders. And if you are thinking about getting a Tesla, make sure to check out the links in the description for my recommended best accessories that I've used on my Tesla for over 14,000 miles. Let's get right into this video. So if you're thinking about getting a Tesla, how do you get your hands on one and what are the wait times and are there any left? Well, Elon just yesterday talked about their supply and demand and he said, quote, "I'm confident we'll be able to sell all cars we make. Demand is exceeding production to a ridiculous degree. We're probably going to stop taking orders beyond a certain period of time." But this is straight from Elon Musk. Teslas will get to the point where they're completely sold out to the point where you can't even order one no matter the wait time. So I think this is a ways off. Now, obviously demand is sky high and they're actually setting records with the goal output of this year being 1.5 million deliveries. So what is the latest in supply? We're about to go over the average wait time that you can expect if you order your Tesla right now, but what is the latest maybe if you're eyeing up the Cybertruck? So have Teslas sold out? Well, it seems like a lot of them have sold out before even being made with record reservations happening and record reservations happening for the Cybertruck. Just yesterday, Elon said we have more orders for the Cybertruck than we could possibly fulfill for the next 3 years. So that means that demand vastly outweighs supply for a car that is not even made yet, which is absolutely wild. And Elon said, as far as our Teslas being sold out, the demand is so high that he said they may have to stop taking orders entirely. So here's another point I want to bring up. Are Teslas sold out for 2022? Can you even get your hands on the ones that are available? Let's set aside the Cybertruck, but let's go online and I'm going to pretend that I'm you and let's shop for our new Tesla. So can you even get your hands on a Tesla and what are the wait times? So let's go online together and put our order in for Tesla. So if you do want to know when you can get your hands on your brand new Tesla, stick around, or you can skip ahead with the timestamps in the description when I talk about the new Tesla coming out that is smaller than the Model 3. So here we are, we're on Tesla's website. So how fast can you get a Tesla? Well, the base model rear wheel drive, it does look like you're waiting until the fall. So probably 4 or 5 months. The soonest you can actually get a Tesla is a Model 3 Performance, with that only wait times being until next month. So we can see here that all Model 3s are available in 2022, some of them much later than others like the rear wheel drive, but there is one model that is sold out, so stick around for that. So when is the Model Y available? So if you're looking at the Performance, you can still get that here in the summer fall time. That is available in 2022. But are Teslas sold out? Well, as far as 2022 goes, the long range is in danger of being sold out. So we can see here, it is very late into the winter, into 2023. So this one is barely clinging on. So if you want a Model Y this year, you're going to have to get the long range, and it looks like they're going pretty quickly. And what is a good option if all Teslas are sold out this year? Let's say demand increases and those times to get your Tesla get pushed on into next year. Well, Elon actually just said last year that there will be, and pay attention if you're hoping for a less expensive Tesla, there will be a probability of a Tesla coming out that is less expensive and smaller than the Model 3. Now, there's been a lot of rumors, and I actually took a guess right after this was posted at a sub 25,000 EV, maybe some type of a small sedan, maybe a 2-door Tesla. Time will tell, but there is some probability per Elon that this car will come out. And last but not least, are Teslas or will Teslas sell out this year? Well, take a look at this. EV registrations have surged here in the United States, 60% of total vehicles of 158,000 over Q1 of this year. So as far as Teslas being sold out this year, well, there's been a growth in registrations of 60% here in the United States. And I know for a fact that other countries are seeing increases as well. with all registrations making up 4.6% being EVs, those light vehicle registrations here in the United States. So that percentage, while it seems small, 4.6% of purchases are EVs, that number is growing. And we can see the demand is growing, so we expect these Teslas to get sold out very, very soon as demand increases. Now we're hoping that they are always available, but we can see here demand is really skyrocketing. As somebody who has a Model 3 rear wheel drive, and the short of it is after 14,000 miles, totally worth it. And the resale value right now, I've been giving quotes that are $14,000 more than what I owe on my vehicle. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll be looking at a Model Y here pretty soon, maybe the standard range that is coming out very soon. So I have my eye out on that. So am I gonna even get that? Who knows? We'll see if Teslas continue to sell record demands this year, and hopefully you can get your hand on one as well. The only way I know you like this content is to drop a like and consider subscribing if you like this and more Tesla content. Again, my name is Matt from Frunk to Trunk. We will see you in the next video.